Hi, I'm Sean Callagy of Callagy Law. And the question that some people go nuts over is, how do I deal with a liar? And liars win in litigation, whether they're the lawyers and the clients or both. And judges don't care. So the real first issue is your lawyer skilled and capable enough to capitalize on the fact the other person is lying? That's really the first question. So let me demonstrate to you what my skill sets are and what I know about crushing liars, right? Whether they're adversaries or their clients. The first issue is all writings are critical, and you want to make the liar write stuff down in email, in court papers, by asking very specific questions like who, what, when, where, why, how. Press them, email them. Their lack of response can be used against them in significant ways. Do it fairly, speak nicely, speak authentically and genuinely, and generate those lies off the bat if you're dealing with a liar. Tremendously valuable. And footnote, and I've done this on other videos, if your lawyer says, well, it's he said, she said, none of that matters, then they're unskilled and run away from them. Okay. Now, you're rolling through the process, you've gotten these upfront documents, you have really strong written discovery, and that's also important. Don't let your lawyer send out interrogatories. Don't let your lawyer send out requests for admissions. And a lot of lawyers don't even use requests for admissions, which are a massively valuable tool. Ask your lawyer about requests for admissions, or ask us about it. And what the question should be an interrogatory, because the written responses to those questions are going to form the basis for the depositions that are going to occur. Now, this is where the action truly is. When you take all of these prior writings that you've gathered and created, and you're dealing with your liar, and now you get to a deposition. And we have a very unique approach to dealing with depositions. We do 3 rounds. The first round when we're talking to people is we let them set their own world. Literally. We let them create the universe of their fictional lie without interruption. And these are all done through open-ended questions. Who, what, when, where, why, how? And you just sit back and go, okay, really, tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more. Keep lying to me. And you're going to be sitting there like sick to your stomach, but you're not, because if we're your lawyers, you're going to know that this is wonderful, that they're lying like crazy. And they're going to tell a story, and they're going to tell a story, and they're going to tell a story, and we go, really, tell me more. Tell me more about how my client's a horrible person, and really, when did they, what did they do next, and what happened, and why do you think they did that? And let them talk and feel comfortable and feel incredible. Then the second stage is, let me ask you a few more specific questions now. And you take that general world and you begin to box them in to the places in the world they've created. So you said my client's a liar, right? Absolutely, I said that. Awesome. Tell me about every lie they've ever told. Well, they lie all the time. Great. When was the first time? The second? The third? Do you have it in writing? Any? Right? Specific questions. Crush liars, right? And that's the second part. So you take this general world of open-ended, and then you box them in with specific. The third area is, and this is the absolute destruction that's led to us having expert witnesses in multi-million-dollar litigations withdraw their opinions. It's led to witnesses crying at depositions that we've done, right? Because a lot of folks are not talented and skilled enough to bring all this together, and people just lie with impunity at depositions, and lawyers don't have the skill or knowledge to stop them. The third piece is where you start to crush them and confront them with all of their lies and inconsistencies. And that process of taking that general world, that more specific world, and now you have all that documentary evidence you gathered at the beginning, and crushing them with lie after lie after lie after lie on video, right? And watching them melt down. And eventually that video gets to be utilized in cross-examination in front of a jury. And the incredible part is, in the hands of skilled people, they can tell when people are lying. In the hands of a skilled attorney, showing it to the jury, creating the dynamic I just told you. When it's all on video, you watch these people as liars, even if they say they don't know or they don't remember. And that's how we got a $27 million jury verdict in Arizona, a $33 million jury verdict in New Jersey, because we took liars and we did that to them. And they were represented by counsel that was lying also. Amazing, horrendous, horrific people, right? lying with impunity about everything you could possibly imagine and laughing all the way because they thought it was like being in front of Congress. You go, don't know, don't remember, don't know, don't remember, right? But in the hands of skilled people like ourselves, the jury was laughing at them eventually and hit them with $16 million in punitive damages. So when you're dealing with liars, what do? Is you follow that process, but you better make sure you have a law firm that knows how to do it and is caring, urgent, and aggressive enough to execute that strategy with skill. My name is Sean Callagy. We're Callagy Law. If you're battling a liar, give us a call right away. Follow our content on Facebook. Please like this, share this, get this message out there. I'm Sean Callagy. Thanks.